Let me teach you how you guys can organize albums in Google Photo. First, you want to open Google Photo on your browser and then go on this album section. And let's say I want to organize this album like according to like their name or something. I can click on this album title option at the top right and choose last modified. Once I do that, the album which was like, the last modified, or the album in which the photo was uploaded recently is going to be at front, and the album in which I haven't uploaded any photos will be at the end. If you want it to be organized according to the name, click on album title, and according to the alphabet, it's going to be placed. So R comes before S, so random is going to be at the top like that in alphabetical order, all right? And if you want to organize the pictures inside of the album, then go inside the album in which you want to organize the picture. And over here, click on the three dot at the top right. From here, you can just organize it in any way you want. You can click on this option called edit album. And from here, you can click on this button and it's going to sort the photo. So if you want the new photo to be at top, choose new as first. And all the new photo will be at the top. If you want the old photo to be first, then click on old photos. Just like this, you can organize the picture in your album and click on the tick mark and you're good to go. That's how you guys can edit or organize your albums in Google Photos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.